Hey guys, in this video I'm going to unbox this Maxshield case for the iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. Actually this is the iPhone 12 Pro. Now when I purchased this Maxshield transparent case or the clear case, they also give me this tempered glass, but I already got the tempered glass over here. This is the white stone tempered glass. It is beautiful and smooth, so I don't actually need the other tempered glass. So let's have a look at this case right here. Let's open it up. Now when purchasing online, it's quite difficult to know how good it is, how thick it is, or what the quality is like, because you can't actually visually see it. You can only see it from the photo. So this is the case right here. Let's kind of like bend it, so let's see what it's like. It is thick. I wouldn't say it's very strong. It's very hard on the side here, while there is some flexibility around the edge, but still I can feel like it's quite thin. You can see that the case here is quite thin. Now we can just slot the phone right in to the case like this, and here I'm just gonna push it right in. There is a cover. I can feel like there is a plastic cover that you need to peel off. Could be one on the inside, one on the outside as well. Let me just have a quick look. So there is here, where you can see, we can simply peel it off, and that will reveal the shininess of the case. So there it is, quite smooth. So probably one on the inside as well. Let's take a look on the inside. It's got some IP12 6.1 writing right here. So I'm not sure what's that for. So let me see if I can peel out on the inside. So there is, remember to peel it out, otherwise it's kind of look smudgy, not shiny. So you want to peel off this plastic protector. So this is the case right here. Let's have a look at it again. It's very hard to have a camera focus on a case because it is transparent. So around the cameras there is also a raise at the top. So let's put the phone in first, and then we can have a look at it. So this is for the iPhone 12. This case cost me around $10. So the most important thing is if this part here actually raise above the camera glass, because if it's not, then it can cause damage to your camera when you are placing your phone on the table. So by looking at this, it seems like it is raised above your camera lens right there. If I can get a focus on the camera so you can have a look. So that is one of the main concerns for me. If this bit here actually raised high enough, so that when I place my phone on the table, I am feeling comfortable that this camera lens do not get damaged. Also, you can buy a protector, the glass protector you can place on the lens right here. Otherwise, you can get this whole piece, and you can just simply place it completely over the camera like that. So that is another option that you can try out. Now it seems like on the corner here there is an air pocket, like a bumper protection, so that if you drop your phone on the corner like this, it provides a shock absorbent kind of thing. And on each of this corner here there is also a raised piece right here that raises the phone up a little bit, so that will keep it level with the camera. So if I lay it flat on the table like that, the actual phone stay really flat. Also the button on the side, let's press on it to see how soft it is. It's quite
Voiceover on.
Okay, I accidentally turned on
Voiceover off.
And there is button over here. The cutout is quite neat as well. So you can see on the silent button, you can kind of like put your finger in to open or to slide the silent switch up and down. Also the cutting is quite nice and smooth. It's quite neat. I like that. Down here as well, all the cutting is nice and neat. So it will expose your microphone and speaker at the bottom here. So overall it's quite nice and sleek design. I don't think it will give you a very good protections in compare with other cases like this one here. This is a Pelican on my older iPhone. I like this one here. It provides a really good protection so that if you drop the phone it doesn't get cracked or scratch. So this one here can have some kind of like a 2-layer kind of thing. On the inner layer you have like a rubber. So if you're looking for a case, you want to look for something like this that has kind of like 2-layer. One is the rubber on the inside, and then you got the plastic outside, so that the rubber give a better protection than simply a hard case. But this one here also look kind of classy and nice because of the transparent color. So it's really up to you. If you're not the type of person who easily drop your phone, then you don't need to have this kind of case. But if you drop the phone all the time, like me, I drop my phone quite a lot. Like this one here, I drop it like a million times. Luckily I got the Samsung case. This is a really good case as well. It gives like super good protections. I literally dropped this one so many times and the phone never breaks. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.